Jesse in the WJ. We got Gavin. We're gonna go head out towards Boston Bar, find somewhere to camp, and hit some trails up there. Stopped on the side of the highway. There's a little abandoned cave, railway track thing there. Just gonna show it to Gavin. Hopefully the prickle bushes aren't too bad. So it's, where is it? We can walk this way, and then it's right along the fence right there.
Oh, all right.
So the train track used to come through here. Yeah, so we have to walk this way.
Ready?
I should have wore pants.
That way?
Yeah. So I kind of sent him the wrong way. But now we know where it is.
Bitching at us.
Yeah. I tried to tell him to go through that forest, and that's not the way at all.
Yeah.
It's this way. Oh, there's a fence. I knew it was along a fence. I just couldn't remember which fence it was along.
Well, sensitive direction Josh, we call him.
Hey, I'm leading the way right now.
Yes, he is actually.
That definitely looks much more like a cave.
Oh, well, I meant on the road.
Oh, yeah.
There it is.
Yeah, just
Oh, so it's just ran a marathon.
I think I got a stinging nettle. Owie. Jules is all confused. Go, Jules.
Oh, so I probably should go there because you'll never get back up.
No, Osha will be stuck.
I'll kind of stay around here with him.
Okay. Ow!
That was awesome. I've seen the whole thing.
So you said this was the train? Yeah, I'm pretty sure the train went straight through.
I mean, it looks like it would. Do you guys know if the other side's open?
No,
It's not.
you can go a little farther in, and then it's all collapsed.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, pretty nifty in here. But I think all that rock used to be up there.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, we went in there with flashlights and, well, with our phones.
Close enough, right?
ultra high powered flashlights.
Yeah, pretty neat little spot. Kind of hidden. Not a lot of people know about it.
Man, I sure miss that WJ. That thing just... Jesse just loves it. Oh, you can see his bent axle. Look at that thing. What a beast. I got Josh to the old jail. I mean, okay, JK.
I'm gonna wait for the mic here.
Hey, I think it's over this side.
Oh, to be young. It's the old WJ. Smoky piece of junk.
Huh. Understand that? Piece of up? No.
It smells smoky.
It's hard to say, but it's definitely that size.
Yeah. Probably could even be a valve cover gasket leaking.
Yeah, you never know.
Just a drip on the exhaust.
Like I said, one drip will rate a lot of smoke, so.
That makes sense, because yeah, I've never done that before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's working pretty hard coming up here too, right?
Yep.
So.
Yeah.
Oh,
That was
ow!
classic.
Oh, that's why people wear shoes.
Old Mike thinks he's in
That's why.
Australia wearing sandals all the time. Or thongs as they call it, but
They call thongs there?
yeah.
That's pretty funny.
I've seen thongs, and that's not the thongs I like.
That's a nice view.
show the camera.
Oh, Josh just about died. Right there.
Oh yeah, look.
See, right there.
Right there.
This is a really steep hill right here. And Oshai, being just about 15 now, his back legs can't really get up there, so we let them go check out that tunnel, and then I'm gonna go down this way with him instead.
I see you. Don't fall. Your mom will kill me. Oh, You rock.
Yep, that's for sure. Yeah, it's big. Actually, when I'm standing up here, it looks even bigger. Because you see more of it. It just looks huge.
I'm gonna assume it's another train thing.
I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I remember Dad telling me that. Last time we came here, it was like years ago.
Holy, look at that.
Yeah, I know, it's pretty sweet.
Nifty.
Oh, I'm all air down. Jesse just out there. Josh getting close. Josh has sensors in. I took my sensors out, and it's amazing how much longer it takes to air down with sensors in your wheels. But it's funny because I took my sensors out, my light does not come on. So I'm like, oh, whatever. But I don't know what it is. Something about this spot is one of my favorite air down spots. The water is really, really, really low, but something about coming up here, I don't know. I just love it. The water's normally like all up in here and stuff, but just such a nice spot. It's just relaxing and quiet. And yeah, I'm excited. We're just gonna go try and find camp tonight, and then have a good night tonight. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to the waterfall. We're gonna go to the fire lookout, see how things are when we're done that, and if depending on time wise, we might go check out another fire lookout. So we'll see how it goes. Well, we found a spot. It's kind of two spots, so I'm gonna just set up right there. Guess he's there with his broken window. I don't know how that broke. Josh is there.
Gotta make sure the Jeep's level for the rooftop tent. Plus, I need enough room in the back for it, so let's go like this. Oh! That might work. Good enough for me.
Yeah, we can park the fire pit right there.
Yeah,
sweet. Like it.
Now, to set up the tent before too many beers get down. Okay. Oh. My Amazon steps are seized. All right. Oh, some bird dookied up here.
So we're just thinking, Josh hasn't used this awning in a really long time. So we're like, just because we have it, we might as well use it. Actually, it's supposed to rain tonight too though, by the way, but. So Josh is good, he's just turning around.
Mobile house, bud. I'll drive home like this.
Save you time backing up, eh?
Oh. Yeah. We have beer too. So we got beer, hot dogs, chips. Breakfast is a little better. We got English muffins and sausage patties, hash brown patties. Should be pretty good. Definitely not a gourmet or gourmet meal, but we'll make it work. All right, got all packed up. Just gonna start heading towards Grizzly Falls, I believe. See what it looks like up there. It's been probably 2 years since we've been up there. Yeah, let's see how it goes.
So this is where we had a big big washout last year, the year before, whatever it was. All this whole road here was gone. That used to be just like a little river coming down there. Look how wide that is now. All that water can rush down here to the road. And if you've seen what it looked like before and what it looks like now, it's unbelievable. Oh, there's our first kind of major washout, I guess. No, not really major, but. Aww. A lot of water coming down here. Cool view over there. I guess about to take the kayaks. There it is. She's blowing. So nice. Came up here a couple years ago, first time I ever found it, and it was right when it was like really hot and the snow was just melting, and it was flowing like twice as much as this right now. It was unreal.
Is the waterfall there?
I think it's time to send the drone up. Show you guys some cool drone shots. Well, that was a big Grizzly Falls. Tons and tons of water coming down. Holy.
Tons and tons of mist.
Mist and tons of mosquitoes. Holy moly. Didn't even stay that long because the bugs were bleh. Stupid mosquitoes. Hate them so much.
I don't even think anyone on this planet likes mosquitoes.
We pretty weird if you did. But now we're gonna head back down. We're not 100% sure if we're gonna hit the fire tower lookout, but we'll see once we get closer towards the bottom how we're feeling.
Well, we decided not to go to the fire lookout because it is getting a little later in the day. We want to go past the fire lookout because Josh and I went there last year and we came up to like a really nice shelf road and all that, but it was still covered in snow. So we ended up turning around last year. We haven't been back up since. So we're gonna try to go in a couple of weeks, and that way we can go past there and we'll have the whole day to do it instead. So yeah, so that's probably gonna be the end of this video. Thanks for watching again, guys. I appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.